With the latest update, each user can have only one active plan at a time, either a free plan or a paid plan. However, users are free to change their plan whenever they need. For example, if a user is already on a paid plan and wants to upgrade or switch to another one, they can do so from the website after logging in. From the user dashboard, go to Packages and open the action. Clicking Switch Plan opens a pop-up showing all available plans. The user can select a new plan and click Switch Plan again. This will redirect them to the payment page for the new plan. After that, click Pay Now to activate it and then proceed to view your listing. If the payment is made via bank transfer, it requires manual approval by the admin after the transaction is verified. Once confirmed, go to WordPress dashboard, then Directories, then Orders. Find the relevant order and change its status from pending to paid. Then click Save Order. Finally, navigate back to Packages to verify the latest order and its updated status. To issue a refund for any order, go to WordPress dashboard, Directories, Orders, and open the specific order you want to refund. You'll notice the order status is currently set to paid. Next, switch to the Refund Management tab and click Add Refund. A pop-up window will appear. In this window, enter the refund amount and provide a reason for refund. Then update the status from the drop-down menu to paid. Refund can be processed either in full or in parts, depending on your policy. For example, if an order total is $100, you may refund $50 now and the remaining $50 later. Keep in mind that if a full refund is issued, the plan is cancelled immediately. However, with a partial refund, you may either continue the plan or terminate it after the final refund. This depends on the site owner's rules. That's how the manual refund system works.